Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to charge your Whoop 5.0 or the MG version. So here's the overview of the watch. So as you can see, this is the Whoop 5.0 and included in your package is a battery pack. So this is the battery pack and then it features a USB-C port. And of course, it's included in your package, the cable, and this battery pack itself. So there will be a green indicator light if it's charging or not. So make sure to fully charge this first before charging your Whoop. So basically on how to charge your Whoop 5.0 band, all you have to do is slide this onto your Whoop band. So when you slide it horizontally to the Whoop 5.0 band, you will hear a click once it's fixed. There will be guides so it will be easier for you to slide in. So slide it all the way in and then you will hear a click to know if it's fixed or if it's fitted. And then that's basically it. You are now charging your Whoop 5.0.